What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking care of the wife's phone. I noticed a crack on the front and her case is a little bit old, so let's do something about that. So my wife's got a 15 Pro Max that she loves, but she's got an OtterBox on here that's a little bit beat up and a little bit plain. She's an artist, and I noticed a gigantic scratch in the front of this thing. You probably can't see it, but you can probably hear it. So we're going to take care of that today. First off, let's get this old case off of here and give it a little cleaning. I like to use a little spray bottle of isopropyl. Get it on there, give it a good old cleaning. And then what we're going to do, we're going to put the case on first. You have to get this thing all nice and clean. And what I did for a case was I reached out to Crave. They have an awesome selection of cases, and my wife's got the, like I said, 15 Pro Max, and she's wanted a stand on the back of her case. So I got her the Protection series. Nothing really crazy to see in the packaging here. A little bit of information on the back, ultra slim design, shock absorbing. I think that says high quality, it's covered by a sticker. Precise cutouts. So we're going to check those things out today. And yeah, this isn't a cutting edge brand new phone, but a lot of people don't have the newest, latest and greatest phone. And to be honest, they last quite a while now. It's not like it used to be where a 2-year-old phone felt super old and slow. These things kick around for quite a bit. So if you put a little love and protection into the phones, it can go quite a ways. But let's get into the case. So nothing really see packaging wise on the inside, and the case has a little bit of protection in there. That's cool. They do protect it. So let's get this off of here. And yeah, it's exactly what you'd think. So it comes with this little ring on the back that I'm betting is magnetized as well. And you could also use it as one of those pop socket things so you don't drop it. It feels very light. The case itself only weighs 48 grams. The phone is about 235. And with the case, you're looking at 283. So not a big lift in the weight of the phone. And it's definitely going to offer some protection. It looks like there's some bumpers built into the case around the edges here, maybe a little air pocket or some extra material there to sort of dampen any falls onto the corner where it's most likely to break and have catastrophic failure should it fall. But yeah, let's get into the case. Goes right on. All the buttons are pretty easy to reach and they're highly clickable. The cutouts, just like it says on the package, are perfectly precise and functional. And there's a little bit of a lip around the camera optics to protect it. And let's see how well this ring works. Perfect. No problem. So if you're looking for a decent case at a fair price, the Crave Protection series is not a bad option. The fit and finish is nice. The cutouts all match the phone perfectly, giving enough protection to... The cutouts are all precision. The level of protection versus form and function is probably right where it needs to be. You know, it's not obtrusive. The sides are nice and tight. One of the things I hate about some cheaper cases, not the Crave, are when the sides move really easily. It just tells me that the case is not going to wear very well, meaning that once it starts to stretch out and get a little beat up, that you might start to have dust penetrate in through the sides. I don't think that's going to be a problem in this case. If you're a fan of a minimalistic design with some functionality built in, this is definitely a solid option. Now, a little bonus. My screen protector's all beat up. I have this Feralonzo screen protector laying around. I'm curious. This is specifically for the 13 and 14 Plus Pro Max. I wonder if this will fit on here. Let's take a look. I think I saved the applicator. I did. Old screen protector, my favorite part. It didn't just get scratched, it actually cracked, so yeah. These isopropyl alcohols are super cheap. They're like $3 or $4, and having it in a spray bottle is super handy. I like to keep a nice microfiber cloth around. Allows you to get all the gook off your phone and clean her up. And then the idea is just lay this sucker in there and drop it down. So to answer the question, will a screen protector for the 13 and 14 Pro Max fit on the 15? Yes, it sure will. Thank you so much for checking out this video with me today. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up. If not, the thumbs down works as well. And as always, I appreciate the subscription. Peace.